Hey guys, what's up? I am David. Without wasting time, let's get started with our installation process. Go to Google and write install Java JDK. Then click on the very first link in the search. You will be redirected to the www.oracle.com. Then click on the link of JDK install. Make sure you install the file according to your system. We will get it for Windows. Then click on the download button. Okay, you have to check the box first, then click over there. The current version of Java, JavaC 9 as well as JavaC 8 is free and available for redistribution for general purpose computing. Oracle has officially moved JavaC to a subscription-based model. So you need to sign in first in Oracle, then create an account in Oracle for using Java for free. Let me sign in first using my ID and password. After signing in, your download process begins. Now we will move toward the installation process. Click on next, then you can select your path for download, then again next, your installation begins. It's almost done now and you have successfully installed Java JDK in your system. Thank you. We will now meet next time. We will continue both Python and Java series. Please subscribe the channel to get regular updates.